afternoon, Miss B. Come again, Miss B. Yeah. You, Miss B?
Brittany, bitch. It's moving day. Yes. Be safe. Peace out, Dakota. We did it. Look at this. Good packing. Yeah?
Yep, sorted.
Now we gotta get out. 8 bags. Oh, what do you have for me there? The keys.
I know.
Are you kidding?
Oh my god, did you get everything in my life in one note?
Oh, you are my hero. There's not that many bags. I pack lightly. I'm looking for something that's very important, but it could be in any of these bags. So, I packed with me a picture that Matt and I took on his very first U.S. men's national team game. That's not what I'm looking for. Bingo. I want to show you guys this. I do this quite often to cleanse my space. My sister and I started doing it together with some sort of negative energy to cleanse a space, to cleanse a room, to cleanse yourself. They basically look like a wooden stick, and I also have some things written down that I really like to say. So first, you open up all the doors and windows just to make sure that the energy has a place to leave, to exit. All you need is a little bit to be cracked open. Now we can start. We just wait for it to burn quite far down. And there you have it. Here we go. Start at the furthest room from the door, and then I just go around. On to the next room. And we're finally getting ourselves. What do you think, Daddy?
It's nice. Good choice, that's for sure.
Good choice. Left. Oh,
Just taking the left here.
correct. You're staying in this left lane, though.
Okay. The right lane, you mean?
I don't know.
Well, not really, to be fair.
Yo. We're driving nicely. So close. Not funny.
Ooh!
That's funny. Green light. Blink. Not bad. Good park job. Oh my. Whoopsies. Back it up. Beep. Beep. That's better. We're going to Take 2. We're going to
IKEA.
Will it be as nice as the ones in the US? What do you think? I thought is that they'll be nicer because you're closer to Sweden. Is that a fair thought?
I don't think the
Why are you
quality's gonna change.
laughing at me? Rude, first
They're
of all.
gonna be the same.
You know in LA we call it like Disneyland?
Huh?
Please, don't hit the biker. Are we ready to do this? Well, we can't be ready until you're ready. You ready now? Alright. Cast iron pans.
What are they?
Popsicle molds. Like make like a smoothie mix and then freeze them and then take them out and they're like a popsicle.
Sure. We can keep looking. This is just literally the first row. I don't know why we're grabbing all this right now.
Do you know what that is?
It's like a puppet.
No, it's an oven mitt.
I know, but it's like lobsters.
We have a full cart. Are you over it yet?
Been over it.
You've been over it as soon as we walked in. Thank you, love of my life. Oh, yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. What do you mean no?
What are you looking for?
I wanted more pink plates. There's pink bowls. Do you want to eat off one?
Nope.
Table setting for one. Yeah, it's kind of sad. They have fitted UK sheets, PN sheets, and then they have double, and I lost Matt. Am I doing this by myself?
No idea where to start.
Do you want to feel it to make sure that you like the feel?
I trust you. There you go, feel those pillows. Chill.
You have a high kick.
the
You
world.
should go walk around and feel these.
Perfect. Let's get out of here.
We can leave. Are you coming?
Yeah.
Matt is way over this. You're doing great. And I will bag. What are you doing over there, babe? Happy? It's finally over.
Exhausted.
What'd you think of IKEA?
That's alright. Same as the States.
It was literally the same as the States. No better, no worse. So Matthew, what are we doing next?
Machine. Highland cows.
Have like bangs, furry fur.
Let's go. There's a cow. There's a cow in here. Check this thing out. Those cows.
Oh my god, Matt, it's a Beanie Baby. You are so cute. I need this. Let's tell Matt. Babe. Babe.
The big one.
I love him.
Do you know where the cows are just now? Seen the cows, sir?
I'm on a mission to find these cows.
Ah, they're in that field.
Thank you. On our way to go see the cows, and the sun is coming out.
On the jog.
Jog? Do you know what I'm wearing? On the jog for you.
Thank you.
I'm the athlete in this relationship. Anyway, back to that's what we're here to see.
Chill.
Oh my god.
Okay. Not hurt.
So they eat apples and just normal.
I mean, they'll eat any veg.
Oh, it's coming out.
I should have brought apples. I just want to hug you. Matt, where do we get apples?
Next time we come, we'll bring apples.
He's moving. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Matt. Matt. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Hi now. Off he goes. He's looking back at me. Bye, buddy. I'm gonna cry. That was really cool. They're so beautiful.
Let's go. Love you.
Thank you for that.
Of course.